Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, wherever you are, and welcome to Accordion Artisans channel. My name is William Mannerjoki, and I'm telling you a few things what is going to happen in near future in this channel. As you know, we have had last year, 2022, a few webinars which we have broadcasted here on YouTube as well, and we have got lots of positive feedback and some comments that how we could improve our channel. And I can happily announce you that we are going to have more content for you. And in order to get all things what we are producing for you, so please go on the below, hit the subscribe button, hit also the notification bell, so then you are able to have all the possible videos and notifications of new videos. But what is going to be exact? Well, we are going to have many things. We start bit by bit and increase our volume depending how much we have time and how much you like our content. So basically, the whole case goes that in order to have a sustainable channel, we have to have lots of views. So we need to have 1,000 persons to be subscribed to our channel, and we need 4,000 hours of time, hours of watch time, and that is something only you can do for us, so we can serve you better. So please do subscribe for the channel. Okay, what is going to be? Well, first of all, I can talk about myself. I'm going to have broadcasts. And what kind of broadcasts? It is accordion related, mainly about persons who are having accordion as profession. Let's say if we are going to have a factory owner in interview, or an accordion player who is very love with his or her accordion and wants to have something of, and then we can talk about accordion in general, and how is accordion made or how you should fix and so on. So you can also leave some comments below what kind of content you would like to have, or what kind of interviews you would like to have. Secondly, there's going to be short videos. There's going to be small projects shown, and perhaps bit by bit more content, like a bit longer video, let's say 5 minutes to 10 minutes videos as well, telling about how you should fix accordions and so on. And what is good to understand that we, accordion artisan staff, is making this accordion repair as profession. We are professionals, high quality standards, and we are not taking short paths to the good result. So we do tell how things are done properly, and we are sharing our knowledge. So if you have something to say, let's say I make tuning one way and you are rehearsing tuning, please tell what you want to know, so we perhaps make a new video for you. Okay, so let's hope this year is going to be much better than last year, uh, in channel wise as well as worldwide. Everybody wants peace, I would guess. So let's go forward. Next video is coming at some point, perhaps on my behalf. The first interview might be in February there online, but perhaps some more content before that. So good. Let's continue with this one and have a look how things progress. So, ta-ta.